We will start with Buildai.space. So let me go to my browser, and this is the website. So this website is like one of the best unique websites. It helps you build your own product, your own app, like 2 seconds. We're just describing your idea and giving it a prompt. So this is the first website we start with. So if you want to give it an idea, you want to like find out what's your idea, and after you could just write it to this website and it will build it for you. But you want to sign in, and that's easy for most people and still will save you some time. Up next is Cleanup.pictures by Clipdrop. So this website could help you remove any unwanted object or deflect or people or text from your picture in seconds. So let's say you have a picture and you want to remove something from it. I'm gonna insert a picture. Let's say you have a picture like this. By the way, you have to pay to get a better picture quality, but I don't think so. You want a better picture quality, so I'm gonna continue with SD. So let's say you have something like this picture. So you want to remove the thing in the middle. So what you're gonna do is you could just brush over it, and you could remove it. You could make the brush bigger, and I'm gonna remove the shadow. And as you see, it's a plain background, so I removed it fully. You could click here and download it, and that's it. Up next is this website. Get creative e-commerce and marketing copies in seconds. It's called Tiipe. So this website, Tiipe is an AI-powered tool that creates automatic product titles, description, ads, and more. So this website could help you with a bunch of stuff, like your personal copyright assistant unlocks your high productivity and creativity with AI generated content. You could import products and you could save your products here. So it has creative copies, as I think so I mentioned before, and you could import your data feed and set up preferences and run it. So this website, I used it once when I had a Shopify store, and it helped me so much. So you can check it out. It gives you 3 days free trial, no credit card required. Up next is this website. Free tools to make everything simple. This website is a website categorized by a bunch of things. It has an essay writer, content improver, paragraph writer, an AI image generator, etc. This website helps you with so much work that you have. It has PDF tools, it has video tools, it has images tool, and converter tools, and a lot. This website is for free. It could save you a bunch of time. I mostly use it to convert things. It saves you so much time, as sometimes it takes a long time to convert the image like PNG to JPG, because I have a Windows device. I have to use third-party websites and softwares. So you might want to check this out. Up next is huggingface. This website is about everything. Like, I usually think it as everything. It has so much stuff to it. It has like image generators, it has coder, web developer, it has any coder, deep site, as you see right here, generates any application with DeepSeek. Like, it has a lot of things. This website, if you dig in it for some time, you could get a lot of stuff with it. So as you see right here, it has a code generator, question answering, and more stuff. This website will save you time, as I searched for it, and that does video editing and do coding. This website will help you so much. Even if you don't do none of that, this website could help you with like common things, like for example language translation. Most people don't prefer Google Translate or any other translation softwares because it doesn't do it right. This website could help you and do it right.